Professional fashion campaign. No photographer, no studio, no models on payroll. This is what's possible when you stop doing it the old way. I'm going to show you the exact process, step by step, so you can build something like this in under an hour. We're covering 4 steps. Prep your product images, generate styled photos with full outfit control, turn stills into short video clips, fix common issues when things don't look right. Let's start with prep. Step 1. Grab clean product images. I'm using Patagonia here, but this works with any brand or your own designs. You want high contrast between product and background, minimal clutter, at least 800px wide. I'm screenshotting this fleece jacket, these hiking boots, and this backpack. 3 items, nosh 1 full outfit. Save them somewhere you can find them. We'll upload these in a second. Avoid lifestyle shots where the product is already on a model. It confuses the AI. Stick to catalog style images. For this step, I'm using Arcads.ai. It's what I'm using because it lets me upload product images, assign them to a character, and generate everything in one place instead of bouncing between 3 different tools. You could do parts of this elsewhere, but you'd be stitching workflows together. This keeps it simple. First thing, name your project. I'm calling this Outdoor Campaign. Now we're going to upload our products as elements. Think of this like building a wardrobe the AI can pull from, upload the jacket. Same for the boots and backpack. This takes 30 seconds. Now we need a model. You can use a celebrity reference, a stock photo, or your own face. I'm using this photo of a guy from Unsplash. Royalty-free, clean lighting, neutral expression. You can upload it along with the product images as well. Make sure to name it Hiker Male. Now we build the prompt. Watch how this works. Wide shot of at hiker male wearing at fleece, at boots, and at backpack, standing on a rocky mountain ridge at sunrise. Editorial photography, 35mm film grain. Image model, I'm using Nano Banana Pro. It's better at keeping branding and logos intact. Aspect ratio, 16.9 for horizontal ads. Variations, 3, so we get options. Hit generate. Look at that. Same outfit, same branding, 3 different compositions. Notice the Patagonia logo is still visible on the jacket. The boots look accurate. The backpack straps are in the right place. That's because we used clean product images and a model that prioritizes object consistency. Quick mistake to avoid. Don't write a person in outdoor clothes. Be specific. Use the @ symbol to pull your elements. That's how you get control. Let's try a different scene. Same outfit, new vibe. Low angle shot of at hiker male wearing at fleece, at boots, and at backpack. Walking through a foggy forest trail, moody lighting, cinematic, same products. A totally different mood. This is where doing it inside Arcads saves time. You're not re-uploading or re-describing the outfit every time. Here are a few more I tested. Golden hour portrait, hiker male wearing fleece, boots, and a backpack, sitting by a campfire. Overhead shot, hiker male wearing fleece, boots, and a backpack, laying in a field of wildflowers. Urban rooftop at night, hiker male wearing fleece, boots, and a backpack, leaning on a railing. All the same outfit, all in 4K, all usable. Now let's animate one of these. Hover over the image you like. Click Create Video. This image becomes your first frame. Now you write a motion prompt. Slow push in as at hiker male turns his head to look at the camera, wind blowing through his hair. Keep it simple. 1 action, 1 camera move. Video model, I'm using Kling 3.0 Pro. It's better at subtle motion and facial consistency than some of the others. Duration, 5 seconds. Resolution, 1080p is fine for social. Variations, 2, generate. There it is. Smooth motion. Face stays consistent. Wind effect works. This is a 5-second clip you can drop straight into an ad. The second variation is a bit slower. Same action, different timing. Pick whichever fits your edit. Pro tip, always start from an image you generated. If you try to generate video from scratch with just a text prompt, you lose control over lighting, framing, and outfit accuracy. Here's another one. Desert scene. Motion prompt. Dolly tracking shot as at hiker, male walks toward the camera, dust kicking up behind him. Same process. Image first, motion second. Clean, usable, no jitter. Okay, let's talk about what goes wrong and how to fix it. Issue 1. Branding gets warped or disappears. This happens when your product image is low res or the logo is too small. Fix. Use a high res product image, at least 1200px wide. The AI needs detail to replicate it. Issue 2. Face doesn't look like your reference. This happens more in video than images. The AI only knows what your character looks like from the angle you uploaded. If your reference is front-facing and your prompt asks for a side profile, the AI is guessing. Fix. Upload a 3x4 angle shot. It gives the model more facial data to work with. Issue 3. Motion looks janky. usually means your motion prompt was too complex. Don't ask for 3 actions in 5 seconds. Pick one. Simple motion such as cleaner results. And if just the last 2 seconds of your clip are off, use the remix feature. Select the section you want to redo, write a new motion prompt, and regenerate just that part. You don't have to start over. So here's what we did. Grabbed clean product images, uploaded them as elements in ArcHeads, generated styled photos with full outfit control, turned stills into short video clips, fixed common issues when things didn't look right. You now have a repeatable process. Swap the products, swap the character, swap the scene, same workflow. If you want to follow along with the exact setup I used, I'll leave the link to archeads.ai below. No trial limits on image generation, so you can test this as much as you want. If this helped, leave a like. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.